Hey guys, Paulo here. So I am here again with a new FlexiSpot product, the E6B desk, which I'm happy to provide over to my brother, and he's going to be setting it up with his wife Michelle over at their place, and we're gonna go over how simple it is to set up the FlexiSpot desk setup. As you know, I've done a previous review on a FlexiSpot hardcore desk that can take over 540 pounds in weight, and so far it's been such an amazing product. Right now, I use the desk as solely my review desk for all these amazing products that I'm doing for the channel. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to the channel so you can see all these amazing products that I'm reviewing, especially on top of this FlexiSpot desk. But going over to my brother's house, everything you're gonna see here is on the spot with no prerequisites or any scripts offered by FlexiSpot. All opinions are 100% ours. So without further ado, let's go check out the FlexiSpot E6B. We'll be unboxing and setting up the FlexiSpot E6B standing desk, a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their workspace ergonomics without breaking the bank. A big shout out to FlexiSpot for partnering with me on this video. If you're interested, you can check it out using the links in the description below. Now, going through the unboxing, the packaging is really secure, ensuring all components arrive in perfect condition, and here's everything laid out for easy access.
Pretty neat. Just allows the table to be moved.
So they include wheels with the setup, so probably the desk comes already with wheels, which is already good value.
Yep. It's actual physical buttons, which is really good because sometimes touch ones, you know, sometimes by accident you can actually touch them and the whole table just move up without you knowing.
Oh, it's so cute. They gave a little FlexiSpot branding.
Now, who exactly is FlexiSpot? For those unfamiliar, FlexiSpot has been a pioneer in ergonomic solutions for many years now. They've consistently delivered high-quality products that blend functionality with style. From their innovative sit-stand desk to ergonomic chairs, FlexiSpot is all about enhancing your work-life balance. Now, getting this thing assembled, first you gotta attach the lifting columns to the feet, connect the frame to the desktop, install the control panel and cable management tray, and finally connect the motors and control units. The instructions are straightforward, all necessary tools are included, and the pre-drilled holes make alignment really simple. Let's talk about why standing desks like the FlexiSpot E6B are becoming so popular nowadays. They truly offer numerous health benefits like improved posture, reduces strain on your back and neck, increased energy levels, standing can boost alertness and productivity, burns more calories, aiding in weight management. Incorporating a standing desk into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. But here, check this out. They've got a Black Friday deal going on very soon. From November 29th to December 2nd, FlexiSpot will select 20 customers in total who place orders at a fixed time and give them a free order. For more information on this campaign, check out the information down in the description below.
Pretend to plug it in. Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. Make sure this plug. Just make sure you have all the cables out and about so that when you do testing, you have time to troubleshoot. just in case something goes wrong. If you cable manage now and then you figure out something is wrong, that would be a big issue.
And here it is, all set up and looking awesome. To demonstrate the height adjustment, you can press the control panel buttons to raise and lower the desk. And those dual motors provide a seamless height adjustment experience, and the desk is incredibly stable even at its highest setting. With a super scratch resistant laminate top, there's plenty of space on this 55-inch by 28-inch surface for all your work essentials. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the FlexiSpot E6B standing desk, and I'm pretty sure Ethan and Michelle enjoy the desk too. From unboxing to setup and daily use, it's been a stellar experience for my first desk and as well as for my brother's desk. If you're in the market for a quality standing desk that combines functionality with sleek design, I highly recommend checking FlexiSpot out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till next time, see ya.